Hi guys, welcome to this video. Here is a new money platform. It's a bot platform. It's a Telegram bot. It's called Astro Pepe. Guys, as at the time of this video is being recorded, this project has 21,300 followers. You can see we have partnered up with a financial professional that has spent over 25 years in trade FRIs, traditional finance, and is bridging the gaps between trade F and DEF. Guys, here is a new platform that you can just leverage on. Guys, when it's coming to airdrop, sometimes this might be the game changer, and sometimes we call it airdrop. So let's take a look at this and how to join this, and every other thing you need to know about this platform is what we're going to show you guys in this video. So first of all, guys, if you are new to this channel, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification icon and select all. So tap on the link in the video description. Once tap on that link, it comes up here. What can this bot do for you guys? Come over and tap on this start button. Once tap on the start button, it comes up like this. Then tap on this start button one more time. Tap on that button, guys, brings you to this interface. Here is what you need to do. You need to join the Telegram channel. Tap on this one, follow them on S, join the group, then react to them on their screen, and then tap on confirm button. So we're going to do this together in this video. So first one is to tap on this join channel button. Once tap on join channel button, it comes up like this. Go ahead and tap on this, and they have about 3,800 followers. Then once you tap on that, then come back again, guys, and tap on this Twitter handle button. Once tap on the Twitter handle button, it comes up like this. Go ahead and tap on open button. Once tap on open button, guys, wait for it to load up and tap on follow button. Once tap on the follow button, then go back to this bot again. Now you have yourself at this place. Go ahead and tap on this group button. Once tap on the group button, it comes up like this. Then go ahead and tap on join now button. Now that I've tapped on join now button, it comes up like this. Now it takes you back to this place. Then go ahead and tap on this react on their screener. Once tap on that button, it comes up like this, guys. Then you can download the desk screener app on Google Play Store or on Apple Store. Just register with your email address. It's very simple. Now it comes up like this on this platform. Then you have to scroll up, guys. Scroll up a bit. Scroll up. When you scroll up to the base of this, then you can react this. Just pick any of these guys and react. Once you reacted to it, then come back to this platform. Go ahead and tap on this button that says confirm button. Once tap on the confirm button, it comes up like this. You can see that boom. Then you need to solve this captcha. Enter that captcha in the space provided here. And I've tapped on it, they tap on the enter button. You can see, guys, I've tapped on it, then tap on the enter button. It comes up like this. You are invited by eTech. So this is the guy that invited me. So, and now you will see someone that invites you. It will display on that. Then come over and tap on LFG button. Once tap on the LFG button, it comes up like this, guys. Visit our website to know about more Astro Pepe token. Then tap on this button to visit the website. You can as well tap on this button to visit the website. I want to tap on the website. It comes up like this, is astropepe.vip. Tap on open button. Once tap on the open button, it comes up like this, guys. You cannot scroll up. Scroll up very, guys. Scroll up to the base of this website, then come back to this place. Tap on all done. Once tap on all done, then you have a message that says congratulatory message. Then you have access to other important information on this place. Then you can see airdrop information, profile, referral, statistics, ads, and end. Then you have this button, get bonus. Then you have access to withdraw. So now that you tap all done, as I've mentioned, then here let's tap on the withdraw button first. Once tap on the withdraw button, what does it say? It says this will be enabled at the end of the airdrop campaign. Stay tuned on our announcement channel. That is that. Then you can tap on this one, guys, to get your referral code. Tap on it. Once tap on it, here is your referral code. Tap this, copy this, share this with family, friends on social media, and you get commission on this. Then you can as well have access to the airdrop information. All other thing that you need to know is what you see here, guys. So that is the simple process, guys, on how to join this platform. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification icon and select all so that you'll be notified when we drop another important updates on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.